Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Inclass Lab, chapters 2.1, 2.4, using the calculator. I'm going to be using the TI-84 Plus, Silver Edition. This does work in the 83 as well. So the first thing we need to remember is that we have to turn our diagnostics on. So if you've already done this, it might still be on, but you can just check it by hitting mode and checking that stat diagnostics is on. See if I can get to it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Hit enter. Okay, if you don't have the TI-84 Plus Silver Edition, you might have to go to your catalog. So you can do second and then hit 0 for catalog. Do alpha D, alpha D, and you can just kind of scroll down and turn diagnostic on. Okay, so that's the other way to turn your diagnostic on. So once you've done that, you want to get to your list. So I'll just go to stat, edit. Okay, so I've already put these in here. You could just enter each one, hit enter, and go down and get them all. And then do your backpack weights and list 2. Again, go down and hit them all. And once those are in, the first thing we'll do is plot. Now, looking at the data, you want to kind of look at your ranges and scale your window so you get a good plot. You can go to window here. And again, for the body weights, I did 100 to 200 and a scale of 1. And then for the backpack weights, I did 20 to 40 with a scale of 1. Now, if you hit second stat plot, you want to make sure that stat plots number 1 is on. Okay, hit enter. For the type, you want to hit the scatter plot. Mine's already selected. And notice that it uses list 1 for X and list 2 for Y. Then you can change whatever mark you want. I'll use plus signs. Okay. Now to actually graph this, you just click the graph button. Okay. So we can see there's a plot of the body weight or backpack weight versus body weight. And it looks very similar to the previous plots we did with the same data. All right, next thing we'll do is take a look at the 2 variable stats. You go ahead and click stat, go over to calculations, and go down to option 2. We'll see 2 variable stats. Let's go ahead and click enter. Again, it uses list 1 and list 2 as default for X and Y. And go to calculate. So here we can pick off our mean, which we calculated earlier, our sample standard deviation, SX. And then you can find your Y bar and your sample standard deviation for Y right here, 3.46. All right, last thing we want to do is if we go to stat, calculate, we go down to option number 4. This is the linear regression, AX plus B, where A is the slope and B is the y-intercept of the least square regression line. And if I hit enter, again by default list 1, list 2 for X and Y, and go down to calculate, you'll see here I get my equation. I have my slope, I have my y-intercept, my r² value, and my r value. So that's everything that you need to calculate for this section of the lab. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.